What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with this page. We're gonna design this whole page ourselves. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is that we have to keep this page as a reference opened up. Okay, I'm just gonna bring it right here, and then here I want to bring a new page, and that will be the add new page, and this will be the test home or like a draft home, so you can make it pretty well. Okay, I'm just gonna go with, I'm gonna hit test home. Okay, here I want to go ahead and I want to publish this. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit use the Divi builder, so make sure to check this out. Okay, on clicking this, let's just click here and you can see that I am right here. Okay, I want to go ahead and I want to hit use the visual builder, or I can just choose anything. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit settings right now, and first of all I need to just go with the section background color. Okay, so I need to grab this color. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna choose the color picker, and I'm gonna choose this color. Okay, so this will be my section background color, and then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, this is done, and I'm gonna hit save, and let's go ahead and let's hit update, and let's then choose the use visual builder. Okay, so you will see that our background will be this. So let's just go ahead and let's hit use visual builder till this is done. Here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit use visual builder. And now you can see that it is redirecting us to there. And then we can design this our whole page. Okay, you can see that we have the whole section background color is set to this. Okay, so first of all, what we need is that we need a call to action. Okay, so we have to see what is used in here. Okay, but on if you just can think about this, then we have a whole 2-column row here, and then we have the backgrounds. Okay, sorry, I'm just gonna come here and you can see that we have a row here. I'm just gonna go ahead, this is the row here. Okay, this is the row here. I'm gonna select 2-column row, so this is set to 2 columns right now. And first thing we have is this right here. Okay, this is the bootstrap. We have text, and then we have a button. Okay, so let's just see if I'm right. Yes, this is exactly the same. I'm just gonna go ahead, I need first text. Okay, text. This is going to be the headings, so I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add the boo shop. Okay, and I want to make it the heading, so you can see this is now set to heading. And then I want one more text, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to add one more text, and this is going to be the lorem ipsum content that we have. So I'm just going to copy this first. Let's just copy, let's just come and let's paste, so you can see this right here. And then we have the button, so I'm just going to come here, I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to search for button right here. So this is the button right now, and I'm going to click here. And the button text is going to be shop now. Okay, cool. I want the link, so link is going to be a hash, so that this is the normal link. You can align it to your shop if you want to. Or let's just align it to our shop page. So if someone clicks here, he'll be redirected to our shop, and then he will be redirected to our product page. So you can see this is how this is looking right now. Now we have to design this. So how I'm going to design this, I'm just going to come here and I want the background image first. So I'm just going to select the background image. I'm just going to come here, I'm going to select the background image. The background image that I want right now is going to be this image. Okay, or okay, let's see which image they have chosen. So they have chosen the image with scissor, I think. Where's the scissor one? I think this is the one. So I'm just going to hit upload image. You can see this is the image that is coming. This is coming totally cool. I'm just going to go down and I'm going to select it to be like cover. So this is now set to cover. Okay, let's see how it is looking. Okay, it is looking like this. Okay, we can just make it much more bigger if we want to. Okay, but first what we have to do is that we need to come here and we need to just change the size of this row. So I'm going to go to design, I'm going to go to alignment, the sizing, and I want to make this row custom width. So I'm just going to increase the width of this a bit. So let's see how much width they have used. So I think they have used okay, it should be more. I think this much is fine. This is totally cool. Stamp is coming right here. Okay. Okay, this is going very much bigger, so I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna make it a little bit more smaller. So I'm just gonna change it to be till here. Okay, this looks cool right now. What I want to do now, okay, I want to add the background color here and the background image here so that it looks much better. So I'm just gonna first of all make it the size, the same size of this. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to just come here to this text. Okay, I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna change the color of this. So let's change the color to be the brown. So I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna make it like here. Okay, and I want to just work with this settings right now. First, let's come here. Let's just edit it. Let's just go to this design. Let's just go to text. The title text. This one. Okay, and now what I have to do, I have to just align it to center. And I want to just increase the size of this. So this is set to the Boo Shop. Okay, I need some spacing to the top. So what I'm going to do right now, I am just going to do the spacing. And I'm going to go to the margin. So I need to give the margin to the 25 pixel. 25 pixel is not cool. I'm going to align 50 pixel. They have given some more. So I'm just going to add more. I am going to give like 100 pixels. 150. 150 is totally okay. I'll just use it to be 120. Okay, 120 looks cool. Now what I want, it looks totally cool. Okay, what I have to do, I have to just work with this text right now. So this text is of black color. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, this black color, I want to change the color of this. So I just, first of all, this text is set to justified. So I'm just gonna go to the text. I'm just going to align this to justified. Okay, let's align this to center. So let's make it justified. Okay, this is what we have. And now here I have to change the text color. So my text color is going to be black. Okay, I want to give some padding to the left. So okay. Let's just come here and let's just give some padding to the left. Okay, this much I think. Now it looks cool. Okay, I have to just work with the button right now. And the button, the text design is going to be brown. So I'm going to go to the button right now and I need to use custom styles for button. So we don't want the button icon because if you just hover your mouse, you can see no icon is right here. So no icon should be here. And I want the button text color, the background color. So the background color is going to be brown, not the yellow, but the brown. So I am not just exactly copying the color. Let's just come here and let's copy the color. So this is right here. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna paste it. So let's select and paste. Oh, I haven't copied the exact color. Okay, copy to clipboard, come here and paste. Okay, this is right now. And then I want the text color. So text color is going to be white. Cool. I want the border. So border width is going to be nothing. Okay, there's no border right here. Now it looks cool. Okay, we have this right here, so we can change it to be like let's come here to content. Let's come here to text, and this should be shop now. Okay, I want to go ahead to design right now, and I want to go to the button, and I want to just increase this, decrease the size of this a bit. Okay, let's go down, and we have the button letter spacing. So I want to increase this a bit. No. Just make it to normal. So let's just make it normal. Okay, we have the button font. I'm gonna choose the Open Sans. Open Sans. Okay, I have this right now. So now you can see everything looks pretty cool right now. Okay, here I want to just now align this to center. So I want to go here. I want to go to alignment and I want to align this to center. So you can see this is right here. So this is how this is coming. I just want to give some padding to the down below. So let's just bring this down. Okay. I hope it looks fine. Yes. Now the main part starts, okay? And that is we want to just give some styling to this, okay? So what I want to do right now, I want to just come here. I want to go to background. And in the column 1, which is this, I want to give some column. So I want to click here. And I want to just give a color right here. So the color can be anything. Okay, we have to work on it later on. Okay, the color that we have is that we need to copy it. So let's just come here and let's paste it. So we have got the color copied, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste the color. So let's paste it. This is here. Okay. What I have to do now, I want to just come here and I want to decrease it from here. And I want to decrease it from here as well. Now let's come here and let's decrease it from here as well. So you can see everything is decreased from here. Okay. Now I have to design this. So how I will design, I will just come here to spacing. And I want to give the margin. And from the left side, I want to give some padding. So right side. Okay. This is right. This is left. This is right. Okay. I want to give some padding to the left side. So let's left side 25. Only this is being aligned. Okay, this is changing the whole text. So I just want to just work with this whole column that we have. Let's just come here. And what we want to do is that we need to give some padding to the top. So padding is totally okay from here. I want to give some padding from the button side. So I want to go down to the design of the button and I want to go to spacing. Okay. And then in the spacing, I need to give some bottom spacing. So bottom spacing is going to be like 55 pixel. So you can see this is increasing. If I just give it to be like 155, this is now increased. Okay. So you can see how this has changed. What I want right now, I want to just work with this layout right now. Okay. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click here and this is going to be, let's just come here. Sorry. I want to come here and I want to design this row. So I want to go to background and I want to just come here and the column 2 background color is going to be a different one, which is this one. Okay. I want to upload the image. So you can see this image is right here. This image color is totally different. I think. Yes, this image color is different. So I just want to grab the image that color is not like this. So I want the image that color is this one, I think. Yes, this is the one. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to just come here to the design right here. And I want to go to the sizing. So in the sizing, I have to just come here to use custom gutter width and change it to 1. So you can see this is now mixed. Okay, you can see how it is looking. So this is the design that is coming. I want to change the image right now, but first I want to click here to the background. I want to come here and the image is going to be the actual size. And it should be the left. So bottom left, center left, center left. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, this is how this image is looking. This image is basically repeating, so I have to change the repeating option as well. Okay, repeat, it should be set to no repeat. Now let's see. You can see we have this effect right here. Okay, that is coming, but this is the also showing some background. I don't know, we have chosen the wrong image. I think we haven't chosen the right image that is exactly the same. Let's come here and let's see if yes, we have chosen the wrong image. Let's just delete it. Let's just come here and let's choose the right image. So this is the right image, I think, most probably. Yes. Okay, or the right side one is the right image, I think. Okay, this is so confusing. I'm just gonna click here and you can see this is the image, I think. Yes, okay. So you can see this is the effect that we have given right now. I'm just going to come here to this text size and I want to come here to the design. I want to decrease the width of this so that this makes, this comes in the center. So this is coming in the center right now. Okay, I want to give some spacing to top and the bottom. So I'm going to come here to the design and I want to go to spacing and I want to give some margin to the top. So 10 pixels from the top and 10 pixels from the bottom. So you can see pretty well we have now copied this whole thing, the Boo Shop. Okay, we haven't copied this whole right here that says the font. So let's just copy the font size. What is the font? Text. This is set to default. No. Okay, let me just come here. Let me just align this to left. Right? Center. I want to just work with it a bit. So I want to change the font. So let's choose it to be ABZ. Advent Pro. Okay, so I'm not just copying it exactly, but I'm just showing you that how can we design this. So you can see that we have designed this header pretty well. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the next function right now, and that is this right here. So this is called the blurb. These are the blurb right here, and we have 4 columns. Hope so. Yes. I'm gonna come here. I'm just gonna click here, and I need a regular row, and that will be the 4 row. So we have this. I need blurb. So blurb is here. And I want to just come here and click here. So the title is going to be free shipping. Okay. I want to come here. I want to add free shipping. Okay. And the content is going to be orders on orders over 99. $1.99. Okay. Here I want to go with the icon. So icon should be use icon. And I need a truck. Basket. So okay, I know it will take some time just to look at this because creating a professional website is kind of like a hard thing. Okay, I cannot see it. I don't know what has happened to me. Yes, this is the one. Finally, this is right here. So you can see this is exactly same. Okay, I have to style it. Okay, I have to just come here. I have to go to design right now. Images on icon. Icon color should be set to brown. So I'm just gonna copy this color. So let's just select the color picker, and let's paste that one. Okay, I want to come here and I want to paste it. Okay, let's just bring it here, and I want the text to be aligned to center. So you can see how this is looking. This is exactly same. Okay, they are choosing different font. I don't know which font they are choosing, but at least they. Okay, let's just choose it to be this one. Okay, cool. Here you can see this is how we have right now. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna duplicate. So we have 3 more. I'm just gonna drag it and drop it right here. I'm gonna drag it and drop it right here. And I'm gonna drag it and drop it right here. So I don't have to just change these icons. I just wanted to show you that how this section was created. Okay. Now we have this. So this I already showed you guys that how they have created. Okay. They have choose one single column right here, and then they have in the one column. Okay. If I just come here, you can see if I just go to background, then the column 1 background is set to this. Okay, and in that column they have this blurb icon. Okay, this is the blurb. Okay, and the popular products is the title, and then the images and icon. The icon is set to this. Okay, if we go down here, you can see this is icon, and then they have the button right here. Okay, this is set to view all, and the designing is set to like you can see everything is this like this, and button border is nothing. So this is how the designing is made. Okay, and then we go down and we have this. This is exactly the same as we designed the header. Okay, so this is exactly same. Then we go down. This is the shop. You guys already know about the shop module, and this is the slider module. This is the thing that we have to work right now. Let me just explain it to you. So you can see that we have 2 columns right here. If I just come here to this row, you can see that we have 2 columns. Okay, and then we have some gutter spacing here. If we could just come here to this settings right now, then you can see in the background we have the column 1 background is set to this, and the column 2 background is set to this. Okay, And then we can also choose the parallax effect. So if you go down, you can see this image is moving. But I don't want to give I don't want to confuse you more. So you can see the image is set to cover and it is center, and no repeat is set to yes. I'm sorry. Okay. Now we go down to design. Then you can see that the spacing, sorry, the sizing. In the sizing, they have chosen the custom gutter width, and that is set to 2. If I just set to 1, you can see this is now just matching each and everything, and this is the box layout. So I just want it to be like 2. Okay, you can also choose it to be like 4, some more spacing, but I just want it to be 2, and you can see how this is. So we have the hover effect here, we have this is aligned to left, everything is aligned to left here, and it looks pretty well. This is also exactly the same as this. Instead, they have used the color here, and they have used an image here. So I think that you are getting it now. And here, they have used the MailChimp here. Get news about sales, button tags, subscribe, okay, and this, and the background, and field success icon, and everything. So we will be working up with this later on, so do not worry, guys, okay? The MailChimp is the provider, and they have also given the API key. So we will be working up with this later on. I'll show you how can you just work with the API to MailChimp and receive, send the email to subscriber. So you can see that now we are totally done with this. We guys now know how to build professional based online shops. Okay, and you guys should be proud of this. Seriously, guys, no one can design this type of website. Seriously, guys, trust me. No one can design this type of website. These type of websites are really professional based, and now you guys have learned how to build this. This is so amazing. So let's just go to the shop module and see how amazing it looks. And we can see how great it is looking. So now we are totally done with this website. Okay. I don't think so if we have to learn more about this. So in the next video, we will be learning that how can we build a forum, how can we build a social networking website like Facebook, and then we'll learn how to build a hotel-based booking website, like there would be bookings and some stuff. So that would be so much fun. So stay tuned, guys, for that, and goodbye.